Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling the tools you'll need. Turn on developer options now and enable USB debugging. This gives you a direct bridge to system UI changes. Once done, install ADB on your PC or pick a reputable status bar app. Make sure you've backed up important settings first. You want immediate access to system commands. That's why USB debugging and ADB or an app with elevated permissions matter. Now connect the phone and confirm the PC recognizes it so you can run the first commands. You will now run the core commands to hide icons. If using ADB, execute a settings put secure command to modify the status bar icon blacklist. List ID, separated. That hides them system-wide. If you prefer an app, tweak per app notification visibility in settings to remove specific icons. For rooted phones, you can edit system UI resources or use a module, which offers finer control. Make sure to reboot system UI or the device after changes, so the new icon configuration takes effect immediately. Finish by restarting system UI or performing a full reboot to apply the tweaks. You should verify essential icons, like battery and signal, are still visible unless you intentionally hid them. If icons reappear after an update, reapply the ADB command with the exact ID or clear the settings cache and try again. If the device behaves oddly, boot into safe mode to isolate conflicts and restore your backup if unstable. That troubleshooting step usually resolves most persistent icon return issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.